Hey guys, wanted to film as quick of a video as I can, trying to explain what we're seeing in our market today. I get a lot of questions about housing bubbles and things like that, and I can tell you our market now is nothing like the way it used to be. I recently took a class on Cromford Report, which is a market data report specifically to our Arizona market, so it's pertinent to information we're seeing here today, and wanted to share some of that info with you. So the good news is, we are nowhere near coming to a bubble, not even close. We have an actual housing demand in Arizona. So Arizona is increasing in people moving here, just like Florida and Texas. We're number 3 in the country for people moving here. Also, for the first time, California saw a decrease in people moving away versus moving to California. People are also moving away from New York, New Jersey, places like that. So, and Illinois, and coming to places like Arizona, Texas, and Florida. What are the reasons? So, first of all, Arizona is seeing more of an influx of health opportunities, corporations coming here, more business development, and so there's more opportunities for jobs. There's more, there's better financial for housing, things like that, than other competitive markets. We're the 5th largest city in the U.S., so that says something as well. So we're a thriving metropolis with lots of things to do here and plenty of opportunity without paying New York prices. No offense, New York. But all that to say, part of the reason why more corporations are coming here is because of taxes. So we're lower than the other major cities, or at least somewhere around average, usually a little lower in income tax, property tax, corporate tax, business tax, which is all great things for these bigger companies coming here, right? Arizona makes their money in sales tax, which we all know, we're kind of aware of. So that's a big reason why a lot of companies are coming here. Also, sure, housing prices are going up, but I can promise you that they're not overly inflated. Just simple supply and demand. We are not anywhere near where our supply needs to be for the demand of people moving here, or just households that are splitting up. So unfortunately, COVID caused people, whether it's a multi-generational, to diversify their houses, whether it was parents and kids living together that now are getting 2 houses for that one. Unfortunately, COVID caused, or not caused, but resulted in a good amount of divorce, things like that. So whereas it would have been 1 home, now it's turning into 2 homes. So just a lot of good information out there. Also, if people are wanting to time the market, this is it. This is great. Go ahead and move, because for the first time people have equity in their home. So if you're making money on your home and not losing money, great, that's awesome. Check, you've got it there. And then you're getting really low interest rates. And we just don't know what interest rates are going to do. But however, if you thought, oh, I'll sell and then I'll go rent and time the market, here's the thing, rents are going through the roof as well. Rents are up year over year. So they went up about 17% last year as well. So if you're selling and then you're going to go rent similarly to the home that you are currently living in, you're paying more than you would in a mortgage payment. So that then you're paying somebody else's mortgage. So that doesn't really quite make sense either. I know it can be tricky. You've heard all the fun stories from realtors as to how tricky things can be in our market to move right now. However, there are lots of good opportunities. There's lots of good strategies. I've been able to successfully navigate this multiple times in our current market. So feel free and reach out, ask all the questions. I'm happy to answer. But the moral of the story is the only people really freaking out about the housing prices in Arizona right now are Native Arizonians. We're not used to this, but the people that are moving here tend to be over 55. They make over $100,000 a year. They're coming from those higher priced cities, so they're not panicking about the prices the way that we are, because we're just not used to seeing this. So $1 million in another state buys you a lot more than $1 million, or buys you a lot less than $1 million does here. So that's all part of the reason why we're a little nervous, but it's a good time to buy and sell. Do not be fearful. We've got this. I'm here to help you navigate and be your advocate the entire time. So let's talk real estate. Hope you're all having a great day. Talk to you soon.